Having conquered the air and land, we're off to sea next on this, the Plectrum Foil Super Yacht. Also from Lazzarini Design, this magnificent yacht stretches an impressive 74 meters or 242 feet in length. Drawing inspiration from the cutting-edge America's Cup sailboats, this vessel takes a departure from conventional wind propulsion. Instead, it elegantly glides and lifts above the water's surface, driven by 3 hydrogen-powered motors, each boasting a remarkable 5,000 horsepower, so 15,000 horsepower in total. There's enough space to accommodate a smaller boat, a garage for your sports car, and even a helicopter. The living spaces of the yacht are distributed across 4 decks, with the main body hosting 6 guest cabins and an opulent owner's suite, ensuring a luxurious and comfortable experience on the high seas. With the vision of being crafted entirely from dry carbon fiber composite, this super light yacht achieves an estimated top speed of 75 knots. Although I have a feeling that not many people will be able to afford it.